Please welcome Hammad Chaudhry, Managing Director, Muras Almas Insurance Agents. They are our sponsors of the event. I want to give you a special thanks for this honor to us. Share your thoughts with us about different insurance solutions, risk and returns.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests, and special thanks to Berkeley Group, Middle East, Dr. Musa, for giving us an opportunity to become a part of this event where we are introducing you how people can actually secure, their investments, how they can secure their working environments, how they can secure their people, that they are those who are working for them. Well, insurance is a very common word, and it's a very common thing everybody knows about, You need insurance for ABC reasons, but very few people have actually insight about what insurance is and how beneficial that can be in one's life, whether it's a businessman or it's an individual. So I always say there are three words that describe insurance. It's actually a risk transferring mechanism, as by book, if I say. Because you're transferring your risk to the other party. And I think that's the best way to do in today's world. Because I've been hearing right from the beginning of this event, it's like opportunities, risks, opportunities, risks. And most of the people, they are talking about opportunities. Yes, I understand there is a lot of opportunity in the market. When it's African market, UAE market, it's a land of opportunities, right? And everybody who is taking their money to invest, they have one thing in their mind: what is the risk behind it? And they think a lot about it. There is always a risk wherever you go. But the best way to go about it, secure it. As far as you're secured, you need not to worry about. Yes, African countries, if I talk like 10 years ago, yes, there were problems in getting insurances. The reinsurance was reluctant, but now it's not the case. Now we are getting those facilities from reinsurance companies where they are promoting people to actually get into the African markets. If you look at the statistics and the figures from last 3 years, there is an increase of 66% in the insurance premiums in the African markets. So that means people have actually gotten insurances to secure their investments. Well, just to give you a brief, I will move on to the lines of the insurances, where I would ask my colleague, Ms. Anika, to throw some light on what are the lines that can secure any individual to invest with a full confidence.
So we do understand that every corporate client's requirement is to safeguard any risk just to ensure the profitability of their businesses. And it is for this reason that we are in business, insurance companies are in business. However, not all companies have the same budget to go for the most suitable and best insurance coverage package for their businesses. Our corporate insurance at Murasa Almas is extended to large organizations as well as small companies to help cover certain operational risks, for example, theft, financial losses, employee health benefits, accidents, plant or machinery damage, and so much more. There's an entire list which is out here. You can have a look at it. At Murasa Almas, we provide you with the most personalized and comprehensive insurance coverage from the market, which is affordable for your company. Our experts will thoroughly review your requirements. They are going to do an in-depth analysis of the risks that are associated and then provide you with the most suitable insurance coverage package. Marine cargo insurance basically provides protection to all the goods that are being transported via land, air, ocean, separately or in combination, covering you for the physical loss, covering you for any damaged goods. Our insurance policies are also transferable because we know that the ownership of the goods may transfer during the transportation. You can either insure all of your cargo shipment for a specific period of time as an open cover basis or per shipment requirement.
There was a time when exporting via ships and by sea to African countries was a challenge to get insurance. But now there are certain reinsurance companies that has actually eased the procedure where we can actually insure the products going back and forth to African countries on a very affordable and competitive prices with a maximum coverage.
The third kind of insurance that we offer is the medical insurance. Medical malpractice insurance is a mandatory cover which every medical practitioner needs to have in Dubai. It has been, and ours has been specifically designed for all those who are involved in medical practices. So we're covering doctors, we're covering nurses, we're covering technicians, and so much more. We at Mirasa Almas know how to assess your personal needs and then provide you with a cover which is going to suit your pocket as well as your requirements as a professional. And not just that, but we've had actually partnered with all the major local and international insurance companies that offer the best products to suit the client's needs. That would include individual insurance, small group medical plans, corporate solution tailor-made schemes, and health awareness programs. Covering over on the personal lines, we have home insurance, which combines various personal insurance protections like loss of one's home, its contents, loss of additional expenses, loss of any personal possessions of the homeowner. Then we have private yacht and jet insurance. So whether you own a speedboat, a 250-foot mega yacht, or a private jet, our professional team will make sure that you're covered, giving you the peace of mind to enjoy the lifestyle. The travel insurance, that's intended to cover all the medical expenses, the flight delays, the flight cancellations, the baggage loss, whether you're traveling internationally or whether you're traveling domestically. Our travel insurance can be taken right after one books their flight for the duration of the trip, or you can also sign up for a multiple trip plan whereby you can avail that insurance for unlimited number of trips within the specific period of time. Motor insurance. So whether you need a quotation, you want to take a new policy, you want to renew a claim, you want to make a claim, Mirasa Almas is a one-stop solution for all of your problems, your requirements, and your needs, whether you're a private client or you're a commercial client. We offer agency repairs, 24-hour roadside assistance, emergency medical expenses, personal injury cover, Oman coverage extend up to GCC cover, car hire benefit, and third-party coverage. Luxury sports vehicles. We provide liability and physical damage insurance for cars which are driven by the individuals for personal use. Extended benefits such as classic car cover are also available to meet all your requirements. What I said in my previous slide, whether you want to get a quotation, you want to renew your claim, or any other service that you may need, that's also covered over here. As far as the organizational structure and hierarchy is concerned, which is going to come in the next slide, I'm going to have my colleague explain that to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Anika, for giving an overview about all the lines of insurances that we're dealing with. Well, I would like to add a couple of things to that that might be beneficial for the people and especially in context of this event of Sub-Sahara. Nowadays, it's not that difficult to think while you're investing in African countries. I've just had one of my friends, I heard his question about, if we are dealing with the countries, how can we claim the money back and all that stuff. Look, whenever you are doing a business, let me tell you one thing, everything that exists in this world is insurable. Everything that exists in this world is insurable. Every operation that exists in this world is insurable. So take the right decision, call your consultant, take some advice, and secure your risks. And live a comfortable life, because that's the key to success in my way. If you are buying, insurance is not buying a policy, it's buying a peace of mind at the end of the day. You're getting peace of mind for your employees. If you have 100, 200, 300 employees working for you, they are depending on you. You should take care of them like this. So I actually appreciate everybody to think about it. Well, if anybody needs any kind of clarification, any kind of discussion on cross-border transactions and insurance regarding that, I am here to assist in all the manners. Thank you very much once again for giving us an opportunity, and inshallah, we'll be there to help you all. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Musa.
Thank you very much for your lovely presentation.